Here's how to install GameLoop for Windows 10 or 11 in 2025. If this video helps you out, all I ask in return is that you subscribe. Let's go. Now, the first step to install GameLoop is to download it. For that, click on the first link in the description. This is an in-depth article on how to download and install GameLoop in case this video is too fast for you. However, if you want to make it straight to the point, come down to step 1 and hit download. That'll redirect you over here, where we're going to click download one more time, and the download will begin right away for the installer of GameLoop. Now, what I want you to do is drag and drop the GameLoop installer into your desktop and simply double click on it to open it. Now, you might get an admin prompt when you double click on it. If that's the case, just go ahead and allow it through, and then once over here, go ahead and hit install. And now just wait for GameLoop to finish installing in your computer. And once GameLoop installs, just go ahead and hit start over here to open it up. It's that simple. You can now delete the installer from your desktop as well. You won't be using that anymore in case you want to delete it. And now just wait for GameLoop to finish the setup in your computer. After a couple seconds, you'll be placing this screen in here where you can now search up any game that you want. I know a lot of you want to play COD Mobile, so you could just install it from here. And that is it, guys. Now, something I do recommend is heading over to the options right here on the top and clicking on settings, and then over here disable the auto run at a startup, because you don't want this opening up by itself when you turn on your computer. You only want to open GameLoop whenever you choose to, so just go ahead and disable that in here and make sure you press save. Feel free to play with the settings around in here. However, if you want to change the engine settings, you're gonna have to install a game first. If you're trying here, it's not gonna let you, but that is where you're going to set up how GameLoop runs in your computer to get a better performance and stuff like that. Anyways, guys, that is how to install GameLoop in Windows 10 or 11. If this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.